For the first Saturday of March, it felt more like the first Saturday of April. We should be in the mid to upper 60s this time of the year for highs, but we saw those highs get all the way into the 80s area wide for central Texas and the Brazos Valley. So a really warm day with our highs about 15 degrees above where they should be this time of the year. And that 24-hour temperature change, we're warmer right now compared to the same time yesterday, and you're probably feeling it out there. We're about 3 to 7 degrees warmer at this hour compared to the same time yesterday, holding on to temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s. We do have the winds now coming from the northeast as a weak cold front has pushed into the area, but you're really not going to notice a significant change other than those winds now coming more from an easterly direction back behind that cold front. And we're going to stay mild over the next few hours. If you have any dinner plans, maybe do it on the patio. We're still holding on to the upper 60s to around 70 by dinner time, and all the way till midnight we still see those temperatures in the 60s. And for your Sunday morning, before you go to the morning service, you don't need the jacket. We're going to see comfortable overnight lows in the low, mid, even some upper 50s for your Sunday morning. And by the afternoon, again, we're going to be above that normal of 66 degrees, most areas in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Notice temperatures are just a couple of degrees cooler than what we saw this afternoon. That's because of that weak cold front that's pushed in the area. Isolated storms possible moving into Sunday evening into the overnight hours. A weak system going to track along the Red River, the Oklahoma-Texas border. That's going to trigger some showers and storms mainly to the north and west of central Texas, but there's that potential for some of those to try to back build into our northwestern counties by around dinner time or shortly thereafter Sunday. This is 8 p.m. Notice 1 or 2 storms are a possibility for our northwestern counties, but watch what happens as it approaches I-35. It's going to weaken. It's going to lose that upper level support. So those showers and storms try to move toward Waco as well as Killeen Temple and the Brazos Valley, but they start to weaken late Sunday into Monday morning. But 1 or 2 showers are a possibility. Again, favored areas to see the showers and storms are our northwestern counties with a higher likelihood moving into Monday night, Tuesday morning. Marginal severe risk, this green area Monday night. Tuesday morning, the mid to late morning hours, a slight severe risk for the yellow shaded areas, mainly to the east of I-35. So that Monday night risk is going to be west of I-35, Tuesday morning to the east of I-35, but the highest severe risk on Tuesday is actually going to be toward the Arklatex region. So let's fast forward to Tuesday morning. Notice by 4 a.m. isolated storms are a possibility to the west of I-35, and notice some of those orange and red colors depicting that potential for storms to become strong, maybe severe, and there's that potential for the pocket change size, hail, gusty winds, and there's a low wind tornado risk. 5 a.m. storms moving toward I-35, including Temple and Waco, pushing off to the east as we move toward 8 a.m. Maybe a secondary area of isolated non-severe storms 8, 9, 10 Tuesday morning, but moving into 10 a.m. Tuesday morning near I-45, notice those storms start to see those maroon and pink colors depicting that intensification, and that's where I'm expecting the strongest storms is to be near I-45 and points east. If this system slows down, that would increase the severe risk a little bit. If it speeds up, it would lessen that severe risk. Rain amounts are going to be light west of I-35, 100th to maybe a 1/4 of an inch of rain. Higher amounts to the north and east where there's that potential for 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. Temperatures over the next 7 days are going to be above where they should be. We're going to see those temperatures staying generally in the upper 70s and lower 80s when we should be in the mid to upper 60s. Overnight lows are going to be comfortable as well, typically in the 50s to around 60 degrees.